Jessie from Kastar Adhesive Company. It's very glad to introduce our company for you. So next, follow me to introduce our company. First, we are school and enterprise corporation. So far now, we had a good relationship with many universities, such as Hunan Agricultural University and Hunan University of Science and Technology. We built a great cooperation. They provide our interns and we teach them about the internal experience. Also, we are the initiator of Changsha Cross-Border Trade Association. So next, let's see the showroom. So next, let's see the Kastar Adhesive Company's award. First, I would like to introduce the National High-End New Enterprise. It is very hard to get because it's granted by the government, whose turnover for 2 million yuan per year. And the most important point is, the company must have its own invention patents. Also, we are the 10 years quality supplier in Alibaba. Also, we had in this export field for more than 18 years. Also, we are the initiator units of Changsha Cross-Border Trade Association. Each year, there are many foreign trade companies and factories come to our company to learn some experience in foreign trade. Also, there are certification of Kastar type grout. As you can see, the CE certification and also some invention patents. So next, let's see the Kastar type grout. This is the Kastar Tiger exhibition sheet. As you can see, it was placed here very clear. Also, there are color chart and operating tools. The color chart, 26 color chart. And the operating tools like caulking gun. It is very easy to use. A woman like me can easily use it. This is our sales team. Each of them have rich experience in export and sales. They will provide you the most professional service for you. And next, let's see the after-sales team. This is our after-sales team office. Each of them are in charge of the after-sales staff. If you have any questions about after-sales like logistics, product quality, customer feedback, you can contact them directly. They will provide you the most professional service for you. This is our marketing team. So each year we put advertising in every social platform like Facebook, Alibaba, Google, LinkedIn, YouTube, and so on. So this one, Simon, who is in charge of Alibaba platform, and this is Leo, who is the designer. So every details about the box container designs, we will communicate with him, and they are all service for the Kastar Tire Group. So here are our customer reviews. Each year, there are many customers visit our factory, and there are many customers give us the encouragement in words. Every time we say these words, we will remember how we worked, how we service for our customers. So next time when you visit our factory, maybe you can give us some encouragement reviews. This is our dream all named I Have a Dream. So when we came to the company, each of us are required to write your dream about your 3 years later, 5 years later, and even for 50 years. And every employee will go on study and work as this goal.